Welcome once again to my channel. Today, Abigail will be teaching me how to cook Okazi soup. Here we have bomo. This is a cow skin. We have beef. This is Okazi. And this is stockfish. We also have EGUSI. We have fish, and we're gonna be frying this fish in this. We also have red oil. We have ofo. We have cubes. This is Maggi. We call it Maggi. And we also have crayfish. Here we have salt. And we're gonna be blending this EGUSI in this grinder. So stay tuned. Yeah, let us. I'm here to address some issue that worries me so much, because a lot of people. Now we are frying the fish. Now the stockfish gonna be. I'm gonna put it inside the pot now. So right now I'm going to put this cow skin into the pressure pot, right? And also the stockfish, just to get softened. Here is the beef. This is what we call palm oil. Yeah, this is palm oil. This is extracted from palm tree. Palm tree grows in Asia and some part of West Africa. So, and the oil is extracted from the palm front. Then the palm tree itself grow the palm front. Wow, it did fast. Right now she's blending the Okazi leaf, which is known as Okazi. So the stockfish is ready. So now we need to cut them into pieces, right? So the what they call pomo. This the cow skin and the stockfish now. Okay, what next? What is the next thing?
The red meat.
Red meat, okay.
I need to sieve this.
Okay, yes ma'am. You are my teacher now. So I need to respect that. Okay, we're putting the red meat. There's no need to cook the red meat, right?
No,
I mean, before boiling it, before or steaming.
Putting it at once. Let it steam together with the fish. We are going to cover it back again.
Okay. You'll never put salt too.
Now I'm going to put salt. The water is much, but let it steam together. Because the pomo is not ready yet.
Now, we put the Maggi.
You have to add salt.
We're adding the palm oil. Fish. Now we'll be adding crayfish after boiling this for the past I think about 10 minutes ago. So now we're gonna add this crayfish. Remember guys, we are still cooking Okazi soup. Okazi. And now we leave to boil. So we're adding egusi now. Now we are going to add the kawachik or ofo. Yeah, this is ofo.
Something.
It's the same. Okay. Wow. So it's go scatter so. Put the remaining maggi. Now, Okazi. Wow. So you no need to cook them again. Okay.
Depend on the.
Because
Depend on
I don't cook the
soup you
Okazi
want to
before.
make.
I've cooked that Okazi before, but it's too strong for me.
It depends on the soup you want to make. This is how our people make their Okazi soup. But it's so unfortunate that we are in abroad. The Okazi is not fresh. If I am fresh and
Fresh Okazi.
fresh, yes, you will see it will be so more greenish and appetizing, but it's still okay all the same. It's still okay.
Okay.
Delicious. This is how Akwete people make their Okazi. And every tribe, everybody, they have the way they make their Okazi. This is the way we make our own Okazi soup. It's ready to eat.
It's nice. Huh? Yes, now ready to rock. Ha ha ha. Chineke.
What do you want to do again?
Let's
be that way you want to.
Let me eat the fish for the camera. Come on now. I'm gonna eat the fish for camera. It's a small one. Thank you all guys. This is the end of the video. Let me enjoy my food in peace. I hope you enjoyed. See you on my next video. Bye. Sabi Kuko, madam.